you in the next clip.
Alright, you guys, so the new struts and shocks, rear shocks, are installed. Can't show y'all this yet. So this is the old shocks, the old struts. Look, y'all can see how worn out it is right here. Y'all see how worn out this is, how worn out this is. You see how these are worn out. Right? So this is the old one. And this is, y'all can see, this is the old strut. This is the old shocks. I'm sorry. This is the old shocks absorbers. Y'all can see how it's in bad condition. This is the second old strut. As you can see, it's not in great condition. It's not in great condition. And this is the second old strut. Y'all can see how, terrible it is. So the new struts are finally installed. It was installed this morning. So we are going to get rid of this. Look how bad of a condition these are. Old shock absorbers. I did not install them, but a friend of mine came and installed the new struts and shock absorbers for me. They're pretty good, so I'm gonna take it for a drive and see how it feels. Alright. So we're gonna take these new suspensions on a test run. Won't be gone too long because I got some problems with my fan. my radiator fan don't want to come on when I need it to. So we're gonna take a quick ride on my new struts and shock absorbers. It's raining, so I can't really go too far or, you know, do too much. And I can't really test it out with these tires like I want to. Come on, guy, what are you doing? Like I want to, because it's raining and the road is wet. And I can't go too far because, like I said, my radiator fan don't want to act right. Why I don't want to act right? Well, it may have something to do with when I was changing the fuel injectors. I was changing the fuel injector, and what had happened was what ended up happening was the two batteries kind of, you know, positive and negative kind of tapped together, which wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. So I'm led to believe that that caused either the fan relay to short out, or the fuse, the radiator fan relay, or the radiator fan fuse. It causes, or the motor, radiator fan motor. Yeah, I'm guessing it caused one of those to short out. Like I said, I can't really test it the way I want to, because the road is super wet and it's raining, and we don't want no hydroplaning to be going on, you know what I'm saying? Because if you're driving too fast and coming on a curve or something while the road is like this, then there is a high chance that your vehicle may go into a hydroplane, which is kind of slip and slide all over the place, and you can't do nothing about it. So that might be the case. You know, for people who are driving at high speed. Now, I just put some coolant in my radiator. So now it all comes down to that fan. Will that fan help me out and turn on? Or will that fan go against me and not turn on? Like I said, I'm not going too far, because this radiator fan, you know, it comes on when it wants. So again, I'm testing out my new struts and my new shock absorbers. I have not gotten a chance to go to the junkyard and get another harness for my low beam headlight. I haven't not gotten a chance to do that yet. I have not gotten a chance to do that yet. And the reason I need to do it is because I got new low beam, you know, bulb. I have the bulb for the low beam headlight for the passenger side, but it's not matching up with the harness. You know, these are brand new low beam headlight light bulb, and the harness was not working out. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't fitting. I'm watching my temperature gauge while this person goes 0 miles an hour in front of me. I understand not to go super fast. I understand that. But come on, 1 mile an hour? Still watching my temp gauge. So, as I told you guys in the last video, when I put the 1025cc fuel injectors, when I installed them, right? There's a video on, you know, how I installed them. So when I installed them and I tried starting up my car, it was not starting up. And I made a mistake on the name of the tuner that is supposed to go with that 1025cc's fuel injector. It wasn't Cobb tuners, it was Diablo. So the name of the tuner is Diablo. So I made a mistake in the last video. I do apologize. I apologize, you know, dearly. And so yeah, the correct fuel injector, I mean the correct tuner for the JimmyCruiser that goes with the 1025cc's fuel injector, the right tuner is Diablo. So I'm going to have to work on getting the Diablo. So with the Diablo, it's going to allow me to manually tune my ECU. So when I manually tune my ECU, because I guess that's a step that I missed, was after installing the 1025cc's fuel injector, before starting the car up, use the Diablo tuner to manually tune my ECU. And then after manually tuning my ECU, then I should be able to crank the car up with the new fuel injectors installed. The 1025 cc fuel injectors to give my car you know, a boost, a power boost, you know, along with the weight reduction that I have done. I've done a weight reduction, taking out the back seat. Like I said, I can't drive too fast. I can't really go in and like test it 100% like I want to, because it's raining and it's supposed to rain all week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's supposed to be good on Saturday. And on Saturday, ladies and gentlemen, there's a car show, and I know I keep saying it in every video recently, all my recent videos, but that's because, you know, those who are in the area, or even if you're in Georgia, or, you know, I just want y'all to come out and have fun. You know, the O'Reilly's World of Wheels car show, which is starts February the 3rd. Starts February the 3rd. And it ends on the 5th. Starts on the 3rd and it ends on the 5th. So I want y'all to come out. It's gonna be at the BJCC, I think Coliseum or something. If you look at the story that I posted on YouTube, on my, you know, this channel, then you will see the information. You'll see the information for the car show. Alright? Dino Day is coming soon. Won't be this week because it's raining, it's muggy. If I got the right angle, because it's like I'm using a GoPro and I'm not used to it yet. You know, I'm still trying to get used to finding the perfect angle. So obviously, I'm not gonna know how much traction and grip I'm having with these new struts until, you know, a drier day comes along, because the rain, you're trying to get traction in the rain, you're trying to get a good amount of grip in the rain. No. You're gonna be fighting to get traction when the road is wet. That's why you see when it comes to certain corners, I start slowing down, because on wet roads, if you're coming around a corner too hot, then your car will slide into the next lane or into the ditch. So be careful. So like I said, I respect the community, the built, not bought community. You know, the built community, I respect them a lot, because, you know, they could take a old Honda Civic, and there's people who took, PT Cruisers and, souped them up. There's people who took, cargo vans and souped them up and made them very, very fast. Like, very fast, like ridiculously fast. I'm excited for getting lightweight bucket seats. I'm excited for getting that Diablo tuner and test it out, see, just be able to manually, tune my computer, my ECU. I'm just excited for that. Of course, I'm going to do a ton of research, and, I'm going to, just take my time and make sure I do it right. So before I actually do it, I'm going to make sure that I collect and have all the information I need for me to do it properly. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, my max, my goal as far as horsepower, I only have 115 right now. Most likely it increased a little bit because I did a rear seat deletion. So y'all can comment down below if y'all want me to do a dyno day. Do a dyno day before I, put the fuel injectors back on, and before I use the Diablo to tune it. If y'all want me to do a dyno day with, what I got right now with the new struts and shocks, and a Thornton chip tuning and the rear seat deletion, comment down below, and let me know. It don't hurt to comment. Just say, hey, pass. Or hashtag dyno day. And I'll do it. As y'all can see, my temp is still looking good. Alright, so that's it for today's video. And I want to let y'all know to comment. Dyno day, if y'all want me to do a dyno test day, a dyno run with what I have so far. Hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if anybody knows where the fuse is for the radiator fan, if y'all know where the fuse is located in the fuse box, please comment down below and let me know where that fuse is so I can check that fuse to see if it's good or not. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and till next time.